everyone, welcome to Korea Eat Happy. This is OCHIKERON. Today I wanted to share with you how to make Maguro Tuna rice bowl Tekka for vegan vegetarian people. I don't know how many of you have tried avocado with soy sauce. We Japanese people think that avocado with soy sauce tastes just like Maguro tuna. So in this recipe, I'm going to use tomato and avocado. Tomato looks just like tuna and avocado tastes just like tuna. So they both match really well. It's quite filling and delicious. I hope you like this idea and I hope you can try it out. Here are the ingredients. Put tomatoes in boiling water and poke with a toothpick. Then the skins start to peel away. Drain and place them in cold water to peel. Now mix the seasonings in a cooking tray. Cut tomatoes into wedges, remove the seeds. And marinate them for about 10 minutes. Slice avocado. Put Kizaminori shredded Nori sheet on top of the rice. Arrange marinated tomato and avocado. By the way, cold rice is better because it won't warm up the vegetables. Pour over some marinade. Garnish with green onions or shiso leaves if you have. Sprinkle with toasted white sesame seeds. You can place a bit of fresh wasabi on top if you like. And now it's done! Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.
Avocado challenge. OCHIKERON からのお知らせ？違うでしょ。100万人お願いします。チャンネル登録お願いします。グッドボタン押してね。